Hey guys, so today I'm going to be cleaning these wheels and tires and the wheel wells and kind of showing you a little bit how I do it in my step and process and what I use for it. So first things first, what you want to do, I got the hose here, you want to spray it down really nice and easy to get a lot of the loose debris, dirt, road grime, brake dust, everything like that off the tires and wheels. So take a look in here, starting the wheel wells. The tire real good, the wheels real good. Okay, next I have some no scrub wheel cleaner to help loosen that brake dust. Now you really want to use this to let it dwell for a little bit, but for time's sake I'm just going to do it just to show you how I do it. I don't let it dwell too long, but typically about 2 minutes. You want to spray the tires real good, get up in the wheel wells, just let it dwell for a minute. Don't forget to get inside the lug nut caps as well. Got some soapy car wash water here. And I have a soft bristle brush. It's like a Scotch-Brite. You get, there's so many different kinds. You can use a wash mitt, you can use a lot of different tools and projects. Alright, so I want to get inside there real good. You don't have to scrub too hard on these. I maintain these really well, so there's not a whole bunch of buildup of grime or dirt or anything like that. But of course, more maintenance, the more you maintain it, the easier it is to clean over a long period of time. Okay, so I'll let that sit. Then I like to get up in the wheel wells. You can get up in here. Just get as far as you can. You don't have to go too in depth to it, just what you can. And then of course, you're gonna do the tires here. Thanks to my beautiful wife for helping me with this video. I know everybody loves the auto detailing project, so I'm going to keep them coming for you guys. Get a good scrub. I like to go over a couple different times. Real soapy water. Okay. Next, of course, going to rinse it off. I like to start in the wheel wells. Let the soapy water just kind of come down on top of the tire. Pretty self-explanatory. And then here's an ultimate trick for you guys. Now that that's pretty good, a little bit more here. Now in order to expedite this process, I'm going to use my blower on turbo. Off pretty good. All right, so that's that. Next up, what I'm going to do is show you guys the tire shine, different methods I use to apply that. That's it. Thanks for watching.